Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the accounts section, tap add account, then select Google. Of course, you'll need internet connection to add Google account. So here you should enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you should enter your password. Tap next. Then you should select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then you should agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And then select if you want to enable Google backup feature. If you want to enable it, just tap accept. If you don't want to disable this feature, tap accept. An account will be added. If you want to remove this account, just select it here. Tap remove account and confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.